Next is the vertical mattress suture, which is a very useful type of suture in suturing flaps that are under a lot of tension or swelling. A vertical mattress suture is a 4 points suture. 2 points are far from the incision line, while the other 2 points are near to the incision line, and it will be perpendicular to the incision line. That's why it's called vertical. Now, let's start. Take the first bite from the far point of one flap. Continue under the surface of the flap to exit from the other side, again from a far point. Pull the needle along its curvature. Turn it around. Take another bite from the near point to the incision line. Continue to the opposite direction to exit from the second near point. Pull the needle. Now, take a look how the suture will traverse the incision line vertically. 2 points, far, far, near, near. Now we will tie the knot. Identify the V shape formed by the suture. Double throw in one direction. Pull the short end in the opposite direction. Single throw. Pull the short end opposite direction. Further secure. Now cut suture. And this is the vertical mattress suture.